We have HSS Engineering Warehouse export for KPT pipes in Harisadan Daryaganj, Delhi Ansari Road. It is a well plant green and blue KPT pipes stored in a proper way to keep all the material. Compressed air and green pipes for water supply, plumbing. Like this material, we have these pipes and fittings. Blue for compressed air and green for the water supply, chilled water, plumbing, chemicals. These are the proper racks made for blue pipes. Blue fittings, all names and tags fixed in a good way. These pipes, here is 63 mm pipe, 50 mm pipe, triple layer, compressed air and green pipes. Also here, this is our store, well planned and managed. Triple layers pipe, and here is the green colors fittings pipes, all fittings, barrier, properly made by our staff HSS Engineering. These are the pipes, fittings.